dropping, bro. Holy shit.
What you got, man?
I think the whole thing sucks.
Thank you. We are in Maitland at the studio, about to head down south, sign record contract with Cash Money Records. My birthday was yesterday. Shit crazy. Pound's not awkwardly walking behind me. Turned up. That's a go. You ready?
I don't know what love is. You can show me.
Did you hear? It's
Maybe
awesome.
you can show me. Maybe you can show me. I don't know what
Dog.
I don't need love, I'm the GOAT. I just see the beat and flow. And I'm sure that nigga snitching on your people, huh? 21 Savage, aka the Ripper, huh? Pussy niggas getting shot for all that rich, huh? Niggas keep. For your eyes, do you understand? For your eyes, do you understand me? For your eyes, do you understand?
For this music, I'd probably be dead. Instead I'm on top and I'm counting this bread. Sitting in the mansion, could have been in his feds. Drop top.
I don't want no picture with the president. I just want to talk to the man. Speak for the boys in the band, though. And my nigga never walk in again. Apologize.
And my fucking car. It's fucked.
I've never been higher than North Carolina. I've been higher.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Let's go, brother.
Y'all ready for this? Skew!
Crazy to be the day that you saw you online for the first time, and then
Oh, for real?
Kyler was with us that day.
I can't do no promise. Hey, put a finger in the sky if you want. Hey, put two fingers in the sky if you want. Hey, put a
Yeah, celebrate you. Style, back from the slum of the child under suppression. You couldn't catch me confessing. The name is Casman, I abuse the flow. Coalition, rather impressive. My old bitches, they are rather depressed at the moment. I could understand that. Shit, they get no visitation, they get no. Into the presidential suite like, take a look at my throne. What's your seat like? Pussy, you couldn't show me what defeat like. And once it relight, come back, even hotter. What's your beat like? Holly bust like everyone in Holly Grove. My team full of these cold killers in college fold. Mushrooms and optimal O's. Tell me it's too much, possible, no. B.I.G. Thomas in the Levi. Rely on no man, except for me, I deny what ain't real. This one for Lil Doogie. Bumping that Magnolia Slim and a little juvie. 400 degrees, I got 400 degrees from different universities. I am universally so acquainted for this. Courtside, been waiting for this. Hip hop, been praying for this. You see my name on the list. My prize gold like the chain on my wrist. Even when it come to rain on my parade, I persist. They probably think that I'm a hot boy. Hot like every 16 I drop, boy, my guap, boy. Got a boy straight up to the top, boy. They just keep telling me, G, don't stop, boy. You get that there a lot, boy. Meet you up at Gladys's bar.
Let me be great.
Me, baby, Sugar Slim, trying to balance the bar. I used to wanna get that all black.
Let me be great.
Till I seen that fucking red Bugatti had me in awe. Shit was raw. Good morning.
I feel like motherfucking Cash Clay right now.
Shots and I'm on it. They probably think I'm rolling. Really just the weed, man. I'm so private. Barely left my own state, been to no island. About to make it all.
Don't be good, my nigga. Be great.
Myself a new estate where it's so thriving. They probably hate that I'm a cash money. I just can't relate to all these crash dummies. Every time they drive, it's an accident. Every time I get a little high, my passion evolve. I ain't no Asherah. Dropped out of college cause I was slacking off. About to cop a new space shuttle and get the blasting off. Jack of all trades, building up on these accolades. Never touch these spades, but I hit the club with all of these diamonds on. And my heart the same. We start the same, but I hit the finish line with no time to go and compensate. Just give me mine, boy, and I don't even like Jimmy John's. Unless it's 4 in the morning, and they the only ones who deliver. Shit, TJ, he get the ordering. Well, I guess give me a ham and cheese. They team got 1 gram, we got canopies. I'm one man doing this here for humanity. They anti-freeze ass, need a G-pass. Couldn't fuck with my weed stash. Many MCs in my hometown trying to see cast. Need a recap, who been winning? Me and Pippin told you this the beginning. They probably hate to see me on top. Love my position, I see everything from a bird's eye. How much tuition is for a good college? I make that in about a week, man, I'm good, promise. They would be me if they could, honest. Things done change. It's me when you hear something strange. Rip up your veins, tell me who ain't the main. Shit, I don't gang bang, but every gang we come in contact with trying to draft pick. They probably just in fear for their own, getting their ass kicked. I need a bad bitch with some chapstick, who down to do some freaky shit, getting her ass licked. I'm a maverick, they just some Tom Cruise looking con artists. They done seen the Taliban paint, but they ain't ever seen a bomb artist. They bout as hard as a pop artist. They fuck around, make me pop artists. They all know this for Wayne. Man, I've been smoking out of my Oval Office. Kiss some justice, get these jokers off me. How could they cross me? I swear that this grind is so exhausting. Stunning, say nobody work like Wayne when I'm trying to be the one across him. They spent a lot of time being bosses.